Hey Bozeman, Manhattan, Gallatin Valley and beyond. Excel Physical Therapy just wants to let you know that we're here for you. Even though some of your life might have to be on a holding pattern, your recovery doesn't need to be. If you can't make it into the clinic, we have telehealth services available. So that means that you can interact with your physical therapist one-on-one through a secure platform, either on your phone or through your computer. And we can assess your pain, give you advice, as well as take you through an exercise program and watch you do that live and give you feedback at that point, and then progress that program as well. Some insurances are covering this, otherwise we do have a very affordable cash pay plan as well. You can give our front office a call, or you can email us at info@excelptmt.com, and we're here for you, so your recovery doesn't have to suffer. Stay healthy, stay active, and have a great day.